Hello everyone, this is Kate with Streamline Marketing. Today I'm going to go over with you how to add a video to the hero section of your KW website. So as you can see on the streamlinemarketing.kw.com website here, we have a video back behind as our hero photo or hero video. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how to add that. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find a video. So if you don't have one, you can come to pexels.com. You can find photos here as well as switch this to videos. Now for today, I'm just going to look up real estate. And from there, we're seeing some photos. We've got some of interiors. We've got some aerial photos here or videos. You also have some families you could choose from. Whatever you're wanting to display, back there you can. This one has some keys. Let's go ahead and grab one though. Let's try this one here. So I'm just going to hit download. And once I've downloaded that, I'm going to go to command. Now, once we're in command, you're going to go down to websites. That's going to be the last applet on the left-hand side. And from there, you can do this a couple of ways. You can edit that within the edit there and under homepage. However, we're going to go into expert mode. That video can be edited here. We're going to go into expert mode and show how to edit that through the actual website dashboard. So I just simply hit that expert mode. That's bringing us into our website dashboard here. We'll give it just a second to load. Now from here, for that hero image, we're going to go to the default homepage. And from there, at the very top, you're going to see that we have where the photo, either the hero image or hero video can be edited. So if you have that on images currently, it will say custom images. You can either use the ones provided by KW or add your own here, or you can click that little drop down and go to custom video. Now from here, you're going to want to hit that little pencil. And we're gonna add a video file this time because we want to change that. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit add video file, and I'm gonna hit choose because this is a new upload. And you can see I have quite a few. We'll go ahead and try this one out really quickly. We're gonna give it a second to load here. Almost there. There we go. So now that that's loaded, we can see our video right here. It has a little play button. I'm going to go ahead and publish. Now this is just adding it to my content library. Now that that is added, I'm going to go ahead and go back. And as you can see, now I have the ability to switch from video to video. So I will have a new video here. I can switch to that one. I can switch to the one we previously had. That is how you will add that video there. You have to give it kind of a second. Anytime that eyeball is spinning, it's trying to get an updated version for you. So we'll give it just a second here. Now we are back to the original one that we had. Now, once you're done, you have that video there. You do want to make sure you go ahead and hit save so that those changes go into effect. If you have any questions on how to do this or run into any issues, please reach out to our support email at support@scotlandmarketing.com. We would be happy to help. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again next time.